Hello students, myself Vivek Kumar Pandey. Start your the important chapter of mathematics geometry and lines and angle for exercise number 6.2. That related from parallel lines. Suppose that the AB and CD are two parallel lines and L is the transversal line. L is the transversal line. I am numbering the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The angles formed. AB and CD are two lines and L is a transversal line. Then you prove that the alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 3 and angle 5 are the alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6 are the alternate interior angle. So firstly, from theorem you write given. Given means what? You write AB and CD are two parallel lines. AB parallel to CD and L is the transversal line. Then prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Then proof. How can you prove that the angle 3 is equal to angle 5 and angle 4 is equal to angle 6? So firstly, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angles. Two lines intersect at a point, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 2 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 1 and angle 4 are the vertically opposite angles. Then angle 2 and angle 5 are the corresponding angles. Why? AB and CD are the two parallel lines. Then you write angle 2 is equal to angle 5. These are the corresponding angles. Then comparing equation 1 and 2 from equation 1 and 2. LHS are equal, therefore RHS are equal. Then you write the angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Similarly you write the angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Proved. And that is alternate interior angles. Question again. Two lines AB and CD are parallel lines given and L is the transversal line. Then you prove that the alternate interior angles are equal. So firstly you write given AB and CD are parallel line and L is the transversal line. Then write you prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 5, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Now proof. You know that the two lines intersect at a point, therefore vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 5. These are the corresponding angles. Following equation 1 and 2. Then after comparing equation 1 and 2, then you get the LHS are equal, therefore RHS are equal. Then you write the angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Similarly, you write the angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Now, also we prove that the sum of co-interior angle be 180 degrees. Same process. Co-interior angles. Its meaning is what? The sum of angle 4 and 5 and sum of angle 3 and 6 be 180 degrees. That is called co-interior angle. How can you prove it? Similarly, AB and CD are two parallel lines. L is the transversal line. Then you prove that the angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. That is co-interior angles. How can you prove it? Proof is what? Sum of angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to what? Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to what? So 180 degree, therefore linear pair. Then you write the angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Equation 1 bilinear pair. Bilinear pair. Now angle 2 is equal to angle 5. These are the corresponding angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. These are the corresponding angles. Then after putting the value of angle 2 in equation number 1, putting the value of angle 2 in equation number 1, then you write the angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, you write the angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to what? 180 degree, and that is the proof. These are the very simple theorem for you. Now, you also prove that the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to 5. 3 is equal to 7. And 4 is equal to 8. Same process you apply. Same process you apply and you prove it. And that is a very important theorem for you. Now, we start the chapter 6.2. 6.2. You know that if two parallel lines are given, these are the two parallel lines, and that is a transversal line, and one angle will be given 50 degree. One angle will be given 50 degree. So that angle will be what? So 130 degree. Bilinear pair. 50 degree, it is also 50 degree by vertically opposite angle. 130, the 130 by vertically opposite angle. 50 degree, the here 50 degree alternate interior angles. 130, the 130 alternate interior angles. 130, 130, 50, the 50 vertically opposite angles. Therefore, sum of co-interior angle will be what? The 130 plus 50 is equal to what? The 180. Similarly, corresponding angles are equal 50-50. Here also 50-50. 130, 130. 130, 130. Therefore, two lines, two parallel lines intersected by a transversal, therefore alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and sum of co-interior angle be 180 degree. Then we see that these lines are the parallel lines. These lines are the parallel lines. Therefore, alternate interiors are not equal. Its meaning is what? These lines are not parallel lines. Corresponding angles are not equal, then we see that these lines are the not parallel line. Sum of co-interior angle be not 180 degree. Its meaning is what? These lines are the not parallel lines. It means these are the characteristics of the parallel lines. Okay. Your homework is what? Your homework